Hi everyone, this is Shanti ma'am. Already we have seen about matter. Unit 4. In last video you completed that lesson. In this video we are going to discuss about in chemistry changes around us. Unit 5 Part 1. I think all you know that what are the changes around us. You studied in previous class like reversible changes, irreversible changes, desirable changes, undesirable changes, physical changes, chemical changes and so on. Right. Let's move today's video. In 8th standard, you are going to learn about chemical changes detailing. In this lesson, we segregate 4 videos. First and second video, we are going to see the condition of chemical changes. And the third and fourth videos, we are going to see the effect of chemical changes. This is mind map. The whole lesson include in this mind map. Okay. The introduction of changes around us. We consider one of the boy name was Aditya. He standard 8th. He studied 8th standard. Once he visited Kudippinar in Delhi. You know that Kudippinar is placed in Delhi. And also wondered about the 1500 years old rust resistant iron pillar. அது துருப்பிடிக்காமையே இருக்கு. 1500 வருஷமா துருப்பிடிக்காமையே இருக்கு. He was thinking about why the iron pillar has not rusted for more than 1500 years. One day he noticed milk turned into curd and he wondered how it is happening. As you studied earlier in standard 7th, changes around us like folding a paper, drying wet cloths, bending of iron rod are some examples for physical changes. Right? On the other hand, changes like burning of paper, digestion of food, turning of milk into curd and decaying of vegetables are some of the examples for chemical changes. The two changes are there, the physical changes, another one the chemical changes. But physical changes, you know that there is a temporary changes. Again they recovered the first stage. And reversible changes also. But in chemical change cannot come to the reactants, that is the permanent change and irreversible change also. Right. Now shall we do an activity? Dear students, can you define a chemical changes now? Yes, you can. What is mean by chemical changes? You say that a chemical change is a permanent change, irreversible change and produces a new substance. A chemical change is what, students? A permanent change and irreversible change and produces a new substance. Permanent change means what? It cannot come to again in the reactant stage. ஒரு தடவை ப்ராடக்ட்டுக்கு போயிடுச்சுன்னா அது திரும்ப ரியாக்டண்ட்டுக்கு வராது. இப்போ ஒரு பேப்பர் எரிஞ்சிடுச்சுன்னா திரும்ப பேப்பராக மாற்ற முடியாது. ஒரு மாவு இட்லியாக மாறிடுச்சுன்னா அந்த இட்லி திரும்ப மாவாக மாறாது. தட் இஸ் த கெமிக்கல் சேஞ்ச். ரைட். இர்ரிவர்சிபிள் சேஞ்ச் ஆல்சோ, திரும்ப வராது. இட் இஸ் கால்ட் எ chemical change. A chemical changes are otherwise called as the chemical reactions. Chemical changes otherwise called what, students? Chemical reaction. Because one or more substances, that is called reactants. One or more substances means what, students? The reactants undergoes the reaction to form one or more new substances, that is called products. Two reactions are there. The first one reactants, another one products. Right. Next, the chemical changes are otherwise called as chemical reactions. You know that. In society, people live in different conditions, not under same conditions. Likewise, all chemical reaction will not occur at all conditions. For every chemical reaction to take place, certain specific conditions is required. Right? Do you know what are the conditions required for the chemical reaction to take place? The chemical reaction can be done through physical contact, solution of reactants, electricity, heat, light, and catalyst. The chemical reactions can be done through physical contact, solution of reactants, electricity, heat, light, catalyst. You remember these 7. We will see the first one. The first one, chemical reactions based on physical contact. Dear children, could you remember some of the day-to-day activities like burning of matchstick on rubbing, iron materials turning into reddish brown? Why and how these changes happen? Students, these changes are due to chemical reactions by contact in physical state. Combination of reactants in their naturally occurring states, solid, liquids, gases, is referred as physical contact. The first point is, when dry wood comes to contact with fire, it burns with the help of oxygen to form carbon dioxide, which is given out as smoke. Okay. First one, what students? When dry wood comes into contact with fire. ஃபயரில் வந்து ஒரு வுட்டு கான்டாக்ட் இருந்துச்சுன்னா இட் பேர்ன்ஸ் ஹெல்ப் ஆஃப் த ஆக்சிஜன். ஆக்சிஜன் இல்லாமல் எரியாது இல்லையா? அப்போ என்ன கிடைக்குது? கார்பன் டை ஆக்சைடு கிடைக்குது. அதோடைய ஸ்மோக்கு புகையும் சேர்ந்து கிடைக்குது. தட் இஸ் த ஃபிசிக்கல் கான்டாக்ட். ஆனால் இங்கே என்ன நடக்குது? கெமிக்கல் ரியாக்ஷன்ஸ் நடக்குது. நெக்ஸ்ட், வென் எ matchstick is rubbed on the side of a matchbox, a chemical reaction takes place to form of heat, light, smoke. ஒரு matchstick நம்ம கையை வச்சு ரப் பண்ணோம்னா அந்த இடத்துல நமக்கு என்னென்னலாம் கிடைக்குது? ஹீட் கிடைக்குது, லைட் அண்டு ஸ்மோக். இது மூணுமே கிடைக்குது. திட் இஸ் த ஃபிசிக்கல் கான்டாக்ட். When quick lime means calcium oxide, CaO. Calcium oxide means what students? CaO. Comes into contact with the water, it forms slaked lime, calcium hydroxide. Calcium hydroxide, which means you see calcium oxide means CaO. This is calcium oxide reacts with water, H2O, reacts with water to give calcium hydroxide, Ca hydroxide. OH means OH2, that is a calcium hydroxide. Calcium oxide means quicklime. This means what students? Quicklime. Calcium hydroxide name is the slaked lime. Slaked lime. Is it clear student? This is chemical reactions based on physical contact. Another one, from above the reaction we can conclude that certain chemical reactions takes place only when the reactants are brought into contact with each other in the physical states. Right? And second one, the chemical reactions based on solution of reactants. Chemical reaction based on solution of reactants. Do you like coffee? How coffee is prepared? As your mother does when milk is mixed with coffee decantion. The other of milk and decantion changes due to chemical reaction. Your mother adds enough sugar to make it tasty. Like this, when we mix two substances means the reactants in solution form. The chemical reaction takes place to form new substances. In chemical reaction takes place to form new substances. That is the products. For example, take small amount of solid silver nitrate and sodium chloride in test tube. Do you observe any changes? Listen students. You take two beakers. The first one silver nitrate solid state and another one sodium chloride NaCl. This also solid state, this also solid state. Right. You mixed with 2. What happened here? Do you observe any changes? No. The reactants in solid state have no reaction. Now the both are solid state, there is no any reaction. Now you dissolve the same reactants in water. You take 2 beaker. You add AgNO3. AgNO3 means silver nitrate, and another you add NaCl in water, H2O. This is the H2O water, H2O. You make solution. You make solution of AgNO3, solution of NaCl. Now you can add this both. What happened here? Here the chemical reaction taking place. Here what happens students? The chemical reaction taking place. AgNO3 plus NaCl means sodium nitrate. Add these two reactions and AgCl, because this is minus, this plus. Here also Ag plus NO3 minus, plus contact with minus, Na plus contact with NO3 minus. We can get AgCl. AgCl means what? Silver chloride and sodium nitrate. This product will get. This is the reactant part. This is the reactant. This is product. Now you understand students? Listen. Silver nitrate solution reacts with sodium chloride solution to form a white precipitate of silver chloride and sodium nitrate solution. From the above reaction we infer some chemical reaction proceed only solution form, not solid form. This is the picture of silver nitrate with solution of sodium chloride. This is white precipitate will formed. AgCl, silver chloride is formed in white precipitate. From this reaction we conclude chemical reaction proceed only in the solution form, not in solid form. Is it clear students? Thank you. If you like this video, please subscribe my videos. Thank you students.